Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. Now I was watching a tutorial from another YouTuber. I won't mention names. But they were doing this kind of strange setup with an RGB image, and they were essentially grabbing the reds and putting this into a channel, grabbing the blues, etc. And when it comes to Octane Blender, there is a very nice tool, and it's called the channel picker, and essentially it lets you pick the channel. So just to give you a working example here, I'll quickly jump into Photoshop. You can see inside of the channels we have the red, green, and the blue. So obviously we have like the specular, the metallic, stuff like this. They can be different depending on where you export this from, but the principle is the same. So for example, if I quickly jump back into Octane here, I have the RGB image, we can quickly see it here. So all I need to do is just search for channel picker. Now you can actually see that we have a few other tools. We have channel mixer, so if we want to mix stuff. We have a mapper, and this lets us actually map different channels from, let's say, an RGB image or even a procedural texture. The merger and the one that we're interested in is the channel picker. And I can quickly just drop this into the input. And you can see here channel 1, channel 2, and channel 3. And this lets me separate out something like an RGB image, and it means we can actually control the texture as well. And that is pretty much the channel picker. It's very easy to use, comes in incredibly handy if you're doing roughness, metallic, stuff like this. Anyway, you know what to do. Take care.